Can using liquid soap damage my toilet or plumbing? Liquid dish soap is formulated to rinse away with water so it will not harm standard toilet, ceramics, or typical residential drain pipes when used in ordinary amounts. But avoid concentrated industrial degreasers and antibacterial hand soaps with heavy additives that can leave residues. Start by using a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of dish soap if you need extra lubrication for a slow flush, or to clear a minor clog, and follow with a full tank or bowl flush, using a gallon or more of water to move solids through the trap and into the waistline. If you are pouring soap into a toilet to help a plunger or auger work more easily, first, warm the water slightly to reduce viscosity, then let the soap sit no more than 5 minutes before plunging, so foaming does not obscure the blockage. For enzyme-based or biodegradable soaps, the enzymes can help break down organic residue over time, but they are not a substitute for mechanical clearing of compacted materials like sanitary products or thick paper. When dealing with older galvanized or cast iron plumbing, do a small test in a sink first and inspect downstream cleanouts for foaming or residue, because aged pipes have more surface roughness that can trap additives. If you ever smell persistent chemical odors or notice reduced water flow after using any soap product, stop adding anything else and run several bowl refills and flushes to dilute and move the material through the system. The 3 common mistakes people make are using excessive quantities of concentrated soap, which creates excessive suds and slow drainage, pouring industrial or solvent-based cleaners into a toilet, which can damage seals and finishes, and relying on soap as a long-term solution for recurring clogs. Keep quantities small and always flush immediately and thoroughly to prevent suds buildup. Never substitute solvents or paint thinners because they can soften wax seals around the toilet base and degrade plastic components. For recurring clogs, use a manual snake or call a plumber rather than repeatedly adding soaps, which can mask a structural or venting problem. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources relevant to plumbing care and safe household product use, and we also help contractors find project opportunities and showcase their services. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask questions, and post tips about safe product choices and troubleshooting.